Hey there, creative minds! Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a fantastic technique for expanding your images using AI. And the best part, it won't cost you a dime. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's open up Chrome. Next, head over to runway.com. Now, click on Try Runway for free. Select View All Tools. Scroll down until you find Expand Image and click on it. Upload the image you want to expand. Now, select the aspect ratio and scale of the image according to your preferences. Click on Generate to initiate the image expansion process. Let's give it a moment to work its magic. Simply click on Download to save it to your device. And there you have it. Your image has been successfully expanded. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more AI-powered creativity. Thanks for watching, and happy expanding!